It's now time for Honk the car, Toot the boat, and Swoswoosh the helicopter in another of their happy adventures. It's a lovely day in Springland. Morning, ducks. Morning, sheep. Morning, Honk the car. What was that? Thinks Honk. What mysterious creature is speeding through Springland? There's Swoswoosh the helicopter. Does Swoswoosh know? It's a puppy dog. Springland has a new friend. Woof, woof. What's your name, doggy? Asked Swoswoosh. I know. We'll call you Woofie. Woofie the dog, calls Honk. Honk and Swoswoosh decide to go and tell Toot about their new friend. Oh dear, Woofie is still just a pup. He needs proper training. There's Toot the boat. Luckily, Toot knows about dogs. Don't play so rough, Woofie, complains Honk. Woofie is still a puppy and gets very excited.
Honk,
Warns Toot.
you must not make Woofie too excited by honking all the time.
Toot explains that every puppy needs to be kept calm, be well looked after, and taught how to behave.
Woofie is not allowed on the road.
Explains Toot the boat.
Roads are very dangerous for dogs.
Honk has a very good idea. A new game for Woofie. Sit, Woofie, shouts Honk. Honk is teaching Woofie how to look after the sheep.
Do we really have to play this game?
Complains Lolly the lamb. Honk explains that Woofie needs to learn to do things and that the new game will be fun. The sheep decided to play. Honk's plan was working. Woofie was learning to herd sheep, and he was getting more and more tired. Good dog, Woofie, calls Swoswoosh. Thank you, sheep, for playing with Woofie and wearing him out. Honk tells Toot and Wally all about how they taught Woofie to herd sheep. Tomorrow, I am going to teach Woofie how to fetch a ball, says Honk. That should keep him nice and busy. Have fun, everybody. It's a lovely breezy day in Springland. Morning, rabbits. Morning, birds. Morning, Honk the car. Honk is very excited. He wants everyone in Springland to watch him play with his balloon. Honk tells the sheep that his balloon can bounce up and down. Fluffy and Floppy, the bunny rabbits, always love to play with Honk. Balloon games are such fun. There's Torty the turtle. Oh dear, Honk must look where he's driving.
Stop, Honk! Stop!
Shout the rabbits just in time. Phew, that was close. Lucky the rabbits warned Honk. Oh no! Honk stopped so quickly, his balloon is blown away. Poor Honk wants to go catch his balloon, but Torty is in the way. Come on, Slowpoke. Honk tried his best to be patient. Look, it's Swoswoosh the helicopter. Hey, Honk, did you lose your balloon? Calls Swoswoosh. Honk admitted it was true. Please, can you help? Asks Honk. No problem, Honk, shouts Swoswoosh. Swoswoosh to the rescue! But the more Swoswoosh and Honk chase that clever balloon, the further it blows away. Is Honk's balloon magic? How will they ever catch it?
I know why you can't catch your balloon.
Bleats Lolly the lamb. But Honk and Swoswoosh didn't hear Lolly. They were too busy chasing that crazy balloon. Don't think you can trick us, you silly old balloon, shouts Honk. Hey, I know why you were flying away from us, calls Honk. Honk knew the answer. Come back, Swoswoosh, nice and slowly, calls Honk. A surprised Swoswoosh does just what his friend asked. Okay, Swoswoosh, now you can land and stop your propeller. The little helicopter doesn't understand. Honk has to explain. The wind from Swoswoosh's propellers made the balloon fly further and further away. Isn't that a surprise, everyone? Says Honk. Have fun, everybody. Bye-bye, Honk. Bye-bye, Toot. Bye, Swoswoosh. See you next time. It's a wet and rainy day in Springland. Where is everybody? Morning, ducks. There's Honk the car. Poor Honk. It's no fun waiting and waiting for the rain to stop. There's Woofie the dog. Honk hopes Woofie doesn't make him wet. Come on, Woofie, shouts Honk. Look what you've done. Now I'm all wet. There's Swoswoosh the helicopter. Above the rain cloud, it is bright and sunny. I hope it has stopped raining down there, thinks Swoswoosh. The little helicopter really wanted to play with his best friend, Honk. Oh dear, it's still raining under that gray cloud. Swoswoosh doesn't like rain very much when it stops you from playing with your best friend. What's that sound? There's Toot the boat. Toot is calling his little friends to come down to the harbor. Honk knew that sound. It was Toot calling everyone to come and listen to a story. I can't wait for this rain to stop, announced Honk.
Can't wait, huh? That reminds me of a story,
says Toot.
Would you like me to tell you a story? Oh dear, I think I've forgotten the story. No, what was it?
Says Toot.
Oh yes, the little caterpillar who needed to learn patience. Once upon a time, long, long ago, there was a bored little caterpillar stuck inside a cocoon, waiting and waiting with nowhere to go and nothing to do. Why am I stuck inside this silly old cocoon? This is so boring. I want to play outside, said the caterpillar. I wish I wasn't me.
Toot told his friends how every day the little caterpillar wished and wished she could go outside to play.
Let me think. What happened next?
Sighs Toot. I know, says Honk. After waiting in the cozy cocoon, one day the caterpillar woke up and she wasn't a caterpillar anymore.
Oh yes,
smiles Toot.
The caterpillar had turned into a beautiful butterfly and wiggled out of her old cocoon and flew away to play in the sunshine.
At last it was sunny again, and time to play outside. The sky is filled with butterflies, and Springland has a special rainbow. Look! Honk and Swoswoosh knew the rainbow was worth waiting for. Honk and Swoswoosh were off to find the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Have fun, everybody. Bye-bye, Honk. Bye-bye, Toot. Bye, Swoswoosh. See you next time.